Hello friends, once again this is me, unknown personality. In this video I will share some leaked rumor specification of iPhone SE 3. Let's start, but firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming interesting videos notifications. The latest report from the industry sources related to Apple's surprise in all about iPhone SE successor. Going to be rumored Apple is already gearing up for early 2022 announcement of the iPhone SE 3, as the sources calling it. Reportedly, the Cupertino-based company has created new opening for chip probing specialists via its partner Zentek. Zentek is responsible for the quality testing processor and it's a subsidiary of TSMC. It's also longtime partner of Apple as its supplier of the component to the first iPhone SE as well as SE 2020. The new intel is in line with whose prediction that Apple might be releasing iPhone SE successor and the front in the first half of next year, so we believe it does hold so many credibility. Hope you like this information. See you in the next video. Bye bye.